Replacing sliding doors to French doors and the rough opening. The rough opening has to be at least 1/2 inch to 5/8 greater than the size of the French doors. First of all, when you place it in the opening, you have to set the bottom up with a wedge underneath the stile on both sides. This allows you to straighten the sill plate if the framing is bowed. Secondly, you have to have fox wedges at the hinge, at every hinge. That is where you place the fox wedges. Once all the seams all the way around the door are set perfectly with the wedges in place and the meeting rail is parallel and the same distance top and bottom. Sometimes you can have some wiggle room on the hinge. You can remove the hinge screws and place little spacers in there. Then that is called kicking the hinge, and this will close sometimes the center meeting rails to make them all parallel. You can kick any of the hinges to have them all parallel. Once everything is set up, you remove one screw from each hinge. Then you get a larger screw, say 1.5 inches, 2 inches, and you screw every hinge back in with a long screw right through the wedges. On the inside stile, you also add a screw to the width of the stile on the inside. This is a perfectly placed French door system after removing the sliding doors.